DIY air pump. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, JP here, and for today's clip I want to share to you how to make a DIY air pump with zero electricity. Now, to make sure that our air pump is going to work, we're going to attach this to, or we're going to try this to our fish tank. But before that, we will first switch off our electric air pump. There, as you can see, it's already off. Now let's put on the hose inside the fish tank. Okay, we will set the hose so that we will see the bubbles coming out of the water. I think we should get this other hose and then we'll attach our hose from the DIY air pump. Okay, now that's in place. We're going to switch on our air control. There you go. There's the bubbles. Okay, so that's your DIY air pump. Basically, I've tried this one before, and the 5-gallon air content will last for at least 30 minutes, depending on the air that you are going to put inside it. So there you go, bubbles, DIY air pump. So that's it, guys. Your DIY air pump using zero electricity or no power. And before I end this video, I would like to make a shout out for the following persons who subscribe my channel and like my post. Shout out to Hannah Grace Shokon. Salute to Ryan Christopher. How are you, guys, from Canada? To Christian Kyle Princesa, shout out, and to Anika Tipot and MM Orbigoso. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button below, and make a like on my video clips, and see you next time. Bye! So that's it, guys. That's a DIY. To show you how to make a DIY electricity, zero electricity. Okay?